What's up, you guys? This is Asian Tactical here. Want to do a quick video on my new tonneau cover here. It's the BAK Revolver X4. Could have went with the X4S, but decided to go with the X4 overall just because of the fact that I was able to get this for under $1,000. So bought this off of eBay. So after taxes, I spent close to like 980-ish. So far it's doing pretty good. If you guys watched my other YouTube videos on my truck, I originally had a topper on there. I ended up selling that and then using some of that money to help purchase this. So far it's doing pretty good. The quality, it's a little iffy. Like you see here, tail gets closed. This side sits a little bit lower, and this side here, the right side, sits a lot higher. So you can see it kind of lift up. So another thing is the weather stripping here is a little off-centered. It favors more towards the left. And then you can see here the weather stripping here kind of extends past the rail back here, while this one here on the right side, it does not. So you can see here, this kind of correlates to the weather stripping in the front. You see right here, it extends past there. And then on the right left side here, it does not pass this part. So the weather stripping is a little off from the factory. Other than that, because the left side sits a little bit lower, you see that the aluminum rails kind of made a groove into my plastic there. This side's alright. Just a little bit, but not too much. And you go ahead and unroll this. The aluminum on the inside looks a little spotty because when I installed it, right when I got done installing it, I should say, it just started raining. So, but rolls up pretty nicely. You see here, the seal here is pretty decent. This one lifts up just a little bit for some reason. So I've played around with the rails, try to get this flat, but it's about as best it's gonna do there. You see here, this one stays a little bit more flatter. Except for this part here, it lifts up. But other than that, oh, look at that. Guess they didn't peel a lot of the stickiness away. Interesting. Alright. But other than that, rolls up pretty nicely. You see there, locked into place without me having to really do much. But push it down in the middle, both sides locks. So I know that everything's all pretty much good to go. See here, pretty good clearance. This side here, I'm probably gonna have to JB weld, super glue this up. Prefer that over the Gorilla Glue for sure. But yeah, that's about it for the BAK Revolver X4.